Okay, let's take a look at why it is much better to create very narrow, specific niche videos, why that is much better than creating very general type of videos. You often see small businesses, or medium-sized businesses, even quite big businesses, sometimes paying thousands of dollars, even $10,000 or more, to have a professional company promotional video created. They put this video on YouTube and they wonder why it doesn't do anything. They don't get views, they don't get any traffic to their website, nothing happens, it's a complete waste. The reason for that is because nobody cares. Nobody cares about your company's promotional video, and as such it gets a low click-through rate, a low watch time, and therefore YouTube doesn't bother sending any more traffic. Now, the advantages of creating very narrow, targeted videos is that the videos will have a better click-through rate, the videos will have a longer watch time, viewers will be more engaged, and of course there's a less competition. All these things added together equals more sales for you, because you're going to be able to get more traffic to your website, and that traffic is going to be more targeted to what you are actually selling or promoting. Let's look at some example titles for videos just to explain this a bit better. So we've got these possible topics for videos and possible titles over here on the left. Now, the problem with these is that they are very general, they're very generic, they're not very specific. However, if instead of having how to pass exams, we have how to pass your XYZ exam, a specific exam that people take or that students take, some kind of mainstream but very specific exam. So actually name the exam, and that will get you very targeted click-throughs, and that's going to give you a higher watch time. Develop a better memory. Well, that's a bit general, but develop a photographic memory, pass exams with ease. Now this could be develop a photographic memory, get job promotions with ease. But you can adapt that kind of thing to anything. How to repair your bike is better if it's how to repair something specific on your bike, like how to repair a broken bike chain, because if not, what's going to happen is you'll get click-throughs from people who are looking to repair some specific thing on their bike, but when they get to your video, if that's not exactly what they need, they're just going to leave again straight away. But for people who are looking how to repair a broken bike chain, that's exactly what they're looking for, exactly what they're searching for. You're going to have a higher click-through rate and a longer watch time. And the same applies to the rest of these examples. Learn languages fast, as opposed to how to be fluent in Spanish in just 12 weeks. Much more specific, much higher click-through rate for people who are looking to learn Spanish quickly, and a much higher watch time because they're getting exactly what they want when they get to your video. And the last one there, how to build an email list, that's very general. You're going to get people who want to know how to build an email list for XYZ or for something else or for something else. So you want to be more specific, get the exact right kind of people to see your title and thumbnail, like those people who are looking to build a list of customers for their e-commerce store, build a list of buyers for their Amazon business, build a list of buyers for their affiliate products. So instead of saying how to build an email list, you target the people who are looking specifically how to build an email list for their e-commerce store or how to build an email list for their Amazon business, etc., etc. Okay, hope that makes sense, and I'll see you in a minute.